channel Pharmacy International. Today's video is related to my volunteer work which I am doing actually as a pharmacy assistant. In my previous video I have explained you about my first job as a pharmacy assistant. So because of some reasons I was not able to get enough hours, so I thought I should go for the volunteer work. So in this video I will let you know why I'm going for the volunteer work, what is the advantage of this volunteer work, and yes, if somebody or anybody is not able to get the pharmacy assistant job in beginning, should they go for that volunteer work or not. So let's talk about all of these. As I explained you in my previous video that there was only 3 days in a week, and that is Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Moreover, the timing was 10 to 2, that is 4 hours in a day, 3 days in a week, and which is equals to 12 hours in a week, which is quite less to me. But now, because I'm not getting enough hours, so I thought to do some volunteer work as a pharmacy assistant. I requested my pharmacy manager over there and she was quite helpful. She told me that it's not in my hand to give you more hours. I have to make schedule according to the hours which is provided to me. So she is not supposed to give me more hours. So I thought I should go for the volunteer work, because whenever you are doing any work in the pharmacy, you will get hand-on practice on the softwares, and softwares are quite important over any pharmacy. Doesn't matter in which pharmacy you are, there are different softwares. For example, Kroll, Nexus and Propel is also on the way to get launched soon. So these are some of the softwares which every pharmacies have, means every pharmacy have different softwares. So by doing volunteer work, what I can learn over there, that I can learn how to enter a prescription of a patient. If the prescription is the same one, means the medication is kind of refill one, but the doctor is new, so how to add a new doctor over there. If there is an insurance and that insurance is not going to pay for that particular medication, how to claim for that, and many other stuff. What I can say to everyone who have the dream to be a pharmacist in Canada, I will say that if you're not able to get pharmacy assistant job, try to do the job as a volunteer. Doesn't matter if you are getting paid or not, because this particular assistant job, even as a volunteer, you will get lots of hand-on practice on those softwares which will help you later on. When you will be a pharmacist, you can explain your qualities on your resume as well as to the person who is going to hire you. So for example, if a person who has cleared all the examination but haven't done any of the pharmacy assistant job over any of the pharmacies, it's not difficult for that person to get job as a pharmacist, obviously. But if somebody has pharmacy assistant job, moreover hand-on practice on the softwares, might be they are getting a bit more salary, or you can say easy to crack the interview, or some more stuffs as well. So it's just my personal opinion that everyone who is going to be a pharmacist in future, if they are getting a job as a pharmacy assistant, it's quite good. If you are not able to get, try to do some volunteer work in the beginning, and if you are doing your work properly, they're gonna hire you. There is a great demand of a pharmacy assistant, but the thing is that they don't have enough hours, and it's not in the hand of pharmacy manager as well. So they have to maintain everything, they have to maintain schedule, they have to explain everything why this particular hours are utilizing over this particular pharmacy, and that's all. So that's all about my volunteer work which I am doing as a pharmacy assistant. Apart from the pharmacy assistant volunteer work, I have shared that video as well. If you want to know about the procedures to apply as a pharmacy assistant, what I am doing as a pharmacy assistant, you are most welcome to visit those particular videos as well. As I'm trying to make some videos or some vlogs related to Canada life. For that I am thinking to make I have made actually one particular channel as well. So I will share that channel's link as well in the description box. Please go over there and do let me know that how you're going to find that particular reels or something like that.